Hello kids. Today I am going to start with the 8th chapter of computers from book number 8 and the chapter name is Tux Paint. First of all, I will tell you what is a Tux Paint. Tux Paint is a drawing program that is very easy to use, like a paint program, okay? It has many tools and fun sound effects that help us to make beautiful drawings, okay? Now, if you want to use Tux Paint for drawing, how to start it, now I am going to tell you. So the next topic is starting Tux Paint. So here few steps are given. So you have to follow all these 3 steps to open the Tux Paint program. Step 1. Click on Start button, which is on the bottom of the left hand corner. As soon as you click on Start button, a option box will open, and from that option box you have to select all program and click on all programs. Okay, after clicking on all programs you will get another option box from which you have to click on Tux Paint in bracket windowed, or you can click on Tux Paint full screen. Okay, and as soon as you will click on Tux Paint windowed program, the following screen which you can see in the picture will appear after the title screen. Clear? Okay. It has the following 5 main parts. Number 1, toolbox. It shows all the tools. Second, drawing area. It is the area for drawing and coloring picture. Third one, color palette. It shows all the colors available there. Selector. It shows all the option of the selected tool. And the last but not least is the help box, which guides you for doing the task. Our next topic is tools of Tux Paint. Following are the various tools present on the toolbox or toolbar that help you to draw pictures. So here in the picture you can see on the left hand side from top to bottom, the first one is paint, lines, text, undo, eraser, open, print. On the right hand side from top to bottom is stamp, shapes, label, magic, redo, new, save, quit. So these are various tools present on the toolbar, okay, in Tux Paint. Now it's time to learn more about the tools in Tux Paint. The first tool which we are going to learn about is a new tool. Okay, the new to button helps to begin with the new drawing. It has a collection of starter drawings to color. Follow the steps to do the same. Okay, how to use this tool? I'm going to tell you now. First one, click on the new tool. Second one, choose the required starter drawing. And the third one, click on open. And once you click on open, you can start to work on the new picture. Okay. The next tool of Tux Paint is Save tool. The Save button help you to save a drawing so that it can be reopened anytime. So for saving the file, you will use Save tool. Click on the Save tool to save your picture. The next tool for which we are going to learn about is Open tool. This tool helps you to open a picture that was saved before. The picture which you have already saved, it helps to open that picture. Okay, following are the steps to open a picture. The first step, click on the open tool. Second, select the picture you wish to open, and third one, click on open, and you will get the picture which you wish to open. Okay, or you can directly open the picture by double clicking on it. Okay, next tool is Quit tool. The Quit tool closes the Tux Paint window when it is clicked. When you try to quit Tux Paint, it asks you if you really wants to quit. So you have to press tick button. Okay, if you have not saved your file, it will ask you to save it. Press yes or no as per your wish. So this is how you can close the tux paint window. Clear? Now I am going to start with fun with Tux Math. Open the game is the next topic. To start Tux of Math command, you have to follow the given steps below. The first step, click on Start button. Second one, click on All Programs. Third one, click on Tux of Maths command folder. Fourth step, click on Tux of Math command in bracket windowed, and you can also click on Tux of Math command in bracket full screen. As soon as you will give the command to open the text of Maths command, a new window you can see on the screen. In the window of Tux of Maths command, you can see few options on the screen like play alone, network game, play with friends and factoids. Okay, so out of these four options, you have to click on play alone. As soon as you will click on play, you can see new options on the screen. So from the screen you have to click on Math Command Training Academy. Okay, out of the 5 options which you can see on the screen. As soon as you will click on Maths Command Training Academy, new options you can see on the screen. And step 7, then you will click on addition sum to 10, which is out of the option. Clear? Or you can click on any game of your choice out of the games option given on the screen. As soon as you will choose the game screens opens. As we have chosen the addition sum of to 10, it will open. Here on the screen, you can see the penguin, that is Tux, needs your help. Comets are falling from the sky and melting the penguins' igloos. To save their homes, we need you to solve the equations given on the screens. This is all for this chapter. Thank you and do take care of yourself.